Students, let us see the first poem in your course book. The title of the poem is A Teenager's Prayer. The poetess of this poem is J. Morse. You will find a question on poetry section in question 3a. The question will be like this: read the following stanzas and do the activities. It is for 5 marks. You will find two or three stanzas of poem. Each day brings new beginnings, decisions I must make. I am the only one to choose the road that I will take. Here, each day brings new beginnings means every day there is a new beginning for me. प्रत्येक दिवस हा माझ्यासाठी एक सुरुवात आहे. Decisions I must make means the poetess is saying that she has to take decisions every day. I am the only one to choose the road that I will take. See, in this poem, a teenager is a speaker, and that teenager is saying that I am the only one to choose the road that I will take. That means every day that a teenager has to choose a path or option. प्रत्येक दिवशी त्या टीनेजरला एखादा मार्ग निवडावा लागतो, एखादा पर्याय निवडावा लागतो स्वतःच्या आयुष्यासाठी, स्वतःचं आयुष्य आणखी बेटर पद्धतीने जगण्याकरता. Now see the next answer. I can choose to take the road of life that leads to great success. That means the teenager is saying that if I choose correct road for my life, then I will get succeed. समजा मी योग्य मार्ग माझ्या आयुष्यात निवडला तर मी आयुष्यात यशस्वी होईल. Or travel down the darkened road that leads to great distress. That means if I make mistake in choosing the road and I choose a wrong road, then I will face distress in my life. So there is a dilemma. तिथे दुविधा अवस्था असते आयुष्यामध्ये. नेहमी आपल्याला योग्य मार्ग किंवा अयोग्य मार्ग असे दोन्ही प्रकारचे मार्ग उपलब्ध असतात आणि त्याच्यातला योग्य मार्ग निवडायचा असतो. आता यावरचे आपण प्रश्न बघू. लेट अस सी द क्वेश्चन इन A1. चूज द करेक्ट ऑल्टरनेटिव्ह अँड कंप्लीट द गिवन सेंटेन्स. सी हियर there are 4 sentences and you have to complete these sentences with the help of the given extract. The first sentence is, the speaker of the poem is. There are 2 options, an adult or a teenager. So the speaker of the poem is, which is the correct option? A teenager. See the next. According to the poet, dash dash are brought by each new day. The 2 options are new beginnings and new endings. So which is the correct thing? See, in your textbook this is the second blank space. According to the poet, new beginnings are brought by each new day. Now see the third. We must decide to take the road which leads to dash dash. There are 2 options now. Great distress, great success. So which is suitable for this blank space? That is great success. Now see the 4th sentence. Dash dash is depending upon the selection of the road by the teenager. And the options are success and distress, and the second option is fun and wage. See, if we select good path or bad path, we can get success or distress. So the first option, success and distress, is correct for this blank space. Now see the activity A2. Complete the following sentence with the help of the extract. This question is for checking the comprehension. So we don't find that we never find direct answer there. We have to think for the answer. See the first, the teenager can get success if, the teenager ला यश मिळेल जर, if is a condition, and what will be the answer? See, the teenager can get success if the teenager choose correct path. So this is the complete sentence. Now see the second sentence. The teenager has to face distress if. See, the teenager has to face distress. In which situation that a teenager will face the distress? If he select wrong path or if he choose darkened road. So we have to write it like that. The teenager has to face distress if the teenager choose darkened road or wrong path. See activity A3. This activity is for the poetic devices. Poetic devices like figure of speech or rhyme scheme. Here is a question. Match the lines in column A with the figure of speeches in column B. Now see the column A. First, decisions I must make, and the next line is travel down the darkened road. In column B, there are three things: A, apostrophe; B, alliteration; C, inversion. Now see the first, decisions I must make. So which figure of speech is used here? See that words that are given here are not in correct grammatical construction. The grammatical construction is not proper, so it is inversion. जेव्हा ते त्या वाक्याची जी रचना आहे सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब किंवा दुसरा इम्परेटिव्ह सुद्धा वाक्य असेल त्याला समजा पोएटेसनी अधिक सुंदर करण्याकरिता त्या शब्दांमध्ये अदलाबदल केला तर त्याला आपण इन्व्हर्जन म्हणतो. सो बघा सब्जेक्ट आहे आय, परंतु डिसिजन्स हा शब्द पहिले घेतलेला आहे, म्हणजे त्या शब्दांचा जो ऑर्डर आहे तो बदलवलेला आहे. डिसिजन्स आय मस्ट मेक. सो हियर इज इन्व्हर्जन. नाउ सी सेकंड, travel down the darkened road. Now see D is repeated here. In the spelling down there is D, darkened D is there for 2 times, and in the word road there is also D. That means the sound d is repeated here, and this indicates that the figure of speech that is used here is alliteration. Alliteration is a figure of speech that is used by poets to adore the lines, to give a kind of music to their poem. So alliteration is there.